Welcome to SPOTO's online quiz. Today, we'll explain real certification exam questions to help you prepare with confidence. Questions 1. In the Secure Private Access (SPA) use case, which two FortiSASE features facilitate access to corporate applications? Choose 2. A Cloud Access Security Broker (CASB). B. SD-WAN. C. Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA). D. Thin Edge. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer B. C. FortiSASE's Secure Private Access (SPA) is designed to provide secure connectivity to private corporate applications for all users, regardless of their location. Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA) is a core component that replaces traditional VPNs. It provides granular, application-level access for remote users by continuously verifying user identity and device posture before granting access to a specific application. This never trust, always verify principle ensures that users only access the resources they are explicitly authorized for. SD-WAN integration is used to securely connect entire branch offices, the thin edge, to the FortiSASE cloud. This extends secure private access to on-premises users, optimizing their traffic paths to corporate data centers and ensuring consistent policy enforcement for an entire site, not just individual remote workers. Questions 2. Which two components are part of onboarding a secure web gateway, SWG, endpoint for secure internet access, SIA? Choose 2. A proxy auto configuration, PAC, file. B. FortiSASE Certificate Authority, CA, certificate. C. FortiClient software. D. Tunnel policy. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer AC. Onboarding an endpoint for FortiSASE Secure Internet Access (SIA) requires directing its traffic to the FortiSASE service for inspection. This is achieved through two primary methods. The FortiClient software is the agent-based solution. When installed on an endpoint, it establishes a secure VPN tunnel to the nearest FortiSASE point of presence, POP. This method provides comprehensive protection by securing all traffic, not just web protocols, and enables advanced features like ZTNA. Alternatively, a proxy auto configuration, PAC, file offers a browser-based or agentless approach. This script, configured in the OS or browser, instructs the endpoint to forward all web traffic to the FortiSASE Secure Web Gateway, SWG. These two components represent the fundamental agent-based and agentless onboarding methods for steering traffic to the service. Questions 3. Which two advantages does FortiSASE bring to businesses with micro-branch offices that have FortiAP deployed for unmanaged devices? Choose 2. A. It secures internet access both on and off the network. B. It uses Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA) tags to perform device compliance checks. C. It eliminates the requirement for an on-premises firewall. D. It simplifies management and provisioning. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer AD. This solution offers two primary advantages. First, it greatly simplifies management and provisioning. The FortiAP integration leverages FortiCloud for zero-touch deployment, allowing administrators to ship an access point to a microbranch where it can automatically connect to the FortiSASE cloud and download its configuration. This centralized management model is highly scalable and eliminates the need for on-site IT personnel or complex branch hardware. Second, it provides consistent, enterprise-grade security for internet access regardless of location. Traffic from devices within the microbranch is securely tunneled from the FortiAP to the nearest FortiSASE POP for full security inspection. This ensures that even unmanaged devices receive the same protection, SWG, FWS, IPS, as remote users running the FortiSASE client, enforcing a uniform security policy across the entire organization. Questions 4. Which information can an administrator monitor using reports generated on FortiSASE? A. Sanctioned and unsanctioned software as a service, SaaS, applications usage. B. A FortiClient vulnerability assessment. C. SD-WAN performance. D. FortiSASE administrator and system events. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer A. A fundamental capability of FortiSASE is its integrated inline cloud access security broker, CASB. The primary function of a CASB is to provide deep visibility and granular control over cloud application usage. FortiSASE leverages this to analyze traffic from remote users, automatically discovering and categorizing all software as a service, SaaS, applications being accessed. Through its reporting engine, administrators can generate detailed reports that differentiate between officially approved, sanctioned, applications and unauthorized or shadow IT, unsanctioned, applications. This visibility is critical for understanding an organization's cloud risk posture, enforcing data security policies, and ensuring compliance by managing how users interact with cloud services, which is a core tenet of the SASE security model. Questions 5. In a FortiSASE Secure Web Gateway, SWG, deployment, which two features protect against web-based threats? Choose 2. I. SSL deep inspection for encrypted web traffic. B. Malware protection with sandboxing capabilities. C. Web application firewall, WAF, for web applications. D. Intrusion prevention system, IPS, for web traffic. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer A-B. They represent two essential, complementary functions of a modern secure web gateway, SWG. SSL deep inspection is a foundational capability. With the vast majority of web traffic now encrypted using HTTPS, security services are blind to threats without the ability to decrypt and analyze the content. SSL deep inspection provides this crucial visibility, enabling other security engines to scan traffic for malware, exploits, and malicious URLs. Malware protection with sandboxing is the primary threat prevention engine. This service directly addresses the risk of users downloading malicious files. It combines traditional antivirus for known threats with advanced sandboxing. The sandbox executes unknown or suspicious files in an isolated environment to observe their behavior, allowing FortiSASE to proactively identify and block novel, zero-day malware before it can impact the user's device. Question 6. An administrator must restrict endpoints from certain countries from connecting to FortiSASE. Which configuration can achieve this? A. Configure a network lockdown policy on the endpoint profiles. B. Configure a geography address object as the source for a deny policy. C. Configure geofencing to restrict access from the required countries. D. Configure source IP anchoring to restrict access from the specified countries. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer B. FortiSASE leverages a security policy framework similar to FortiGate to control access. The most direct and standard method to block traffic based on its country of origin is by using a geography-based address object. An administrator can create an address object of the type geography and select the specific countries to be restricted. This object is then used as the source in a security policy with the action set to deny. When an endpoint attempts to connect, FortiSASE's security gateway checks the source IP address against its geolocation database. If the IP address matches a country defined in the deny policy's source object, the connection is blocked before it can be established, effectively enforcing the country-based restriction. Question 7. What is the benefit of SD-WAN on-ramp deployment with FortiSASE? A. To provide access to private applications using the bookmark portal. B. To provide device compliance checks using ZTNA tags. C. To secure internet traffic for branch users. D. To manage branch location endpoints. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer C. The SD-WAN on-ramp deployment with FortiSASE integrates a branch office FortiGate with the FortiSASE cloud security infrastructure. In this model, the FortiGate acts as a secure on-ramp, intelligently steering direct internet access (DIA) traffic from branch users to the nearest FortiSASE point of presence (POP) through an IPsec tunnel. Once the traffic reaches the POP, FortiSASE applies its full security service edge (SSE) stack, including Firewall as a Service (FWaaS), Secure Web Gateway (SWG), and threat prevention services. This provides consistent, enterprise-grade security inspection for all internet-bound traffic from the branch office. This architecture offloads complex security functions to the cloud, simplifying branch management while ensuring a robust and uniform security posture across all locations. Questions 8. Which two settings are automatically pushed from FortiSASE to FortiClient in a new FortiSASE deployment with default settings? Choose 2. A Zero Trust Network Access (ZTNA) tags. B. Tunnel profile. C. FortiSASE Certificate Authority (CA) certificate. D. Real-time protection. You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer B. C. In a new FortiSASE deployment, the tunnel profile and the FortiSASE CA certificate are automatically provisioned to FortiClient. The tunnel profile, B, is essential because it contains the configuration required for FortiClient to establish a secure VPN connection to the nearest FortiSASE security point of presence, POP. This profile includes the necessary gateway information and connection parameters. The FortiSASE CA certificate, C, is pushed to enable the Secure Web Gateway, SWG, to perform SSL deep inspection. To decrypt and inspect encrypted traffic for threats without causing browser certificate errors for the user, this root certificate must be installed and trusted on the endpoint. These two components are foundational for establishing the secure connection and enabling traffic inspection. Don't want to miss any exam content? Visit the SPOTO website now to take a free practice exam. Or add us on WhatsApp for everything you need to know.